Today we will be demonstrating how to use the pivot tile and magic ETL in Domo. This video is one of many helpful tutorials in our magic ETL playlist. Be sure to check it out after this video to learn more about Domo. The pivot tile widens a table by pivoting row values into new columns. Pivoting your data is helpful when you want to rearrange your data to give you a cleaner way to view the information. Let's take a look at our input data set. This data records the in-stock and projected restock amounts of different fruits at a grocery store over the course of a 6-month period. This table is hard to digest and could be pivoted to display the information in a more comprehensive manner. Under the Pivot Actions section on the left-hand menu of your screen, you will find the pivot tile. Drag that tile onto your canvas. Connect your pivot tile to your input dataset tile. In today's example, we will create a column for each fruit and their in-stock amount and projected restock amount per month. We will begin by selecting the product column because it contains the fruit names. The fruit names will now become our column labels. Then we will select the date column to identify each of the new rows since we want to see the fruit data reflected for each month. Now, we will need to create our new columns. To do this, we will name the new column. Then we will select the fruit that will be associated with the rows for the new column. Make sure that you keep your formatting the same as it is in the original dataset when identifying the labels. Apples are capitalized in our source dataset. If you do not use the same format, your output will come up as null. Finally, we will select the value used in the new column. We will be using the in-stock value because we are building our fruit in-stock column. Repeat this step until you've built an in-stock column for each fruit. Now we will repeat this process for the restock columns. Next, we will want to create an output dataset for this change to reside. Let's see how this looks in our data. As you can see, we have pivoted our dataset to only have one row per month. We have reduced our number of rows from 30 to only 6. Our output data is also much easier to read and interpret. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Arigato Analytics for more tips for Domo users.